Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here is a LED corner wall lamp. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to install here in just a sec. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview of how easy and how cool, all the different features this LED wall corner lamp is? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever? Will this being provided to me affect my review? I'm just here to keep it real, so check this out. So it takes all about 4 screws that are provided to attach these 2 legs, and then it just sticks together. And it comes with its own screw like this, goes together very, very easy. And then you have these 1, 2, 3, 4 tubes. Well, all you got to do is in the top here, you just slide it into place. The whole tube is illuminated. Very, very cool. Now there's a variety of different ways that you can control this. You can use the provided remote that I'm holding right here. It does come with its own battery. It pretty much does anything and everything you need it to do. You can also run this from the Smart Life app and control it from your phone, and it also connects to Alexa. So once installed, that's what it looks like in the corner. You want to keep it a couple inches off to maximize the glow effect of the room. The pole is about 5 feet tall, and whether you're controlling it from a remote or your phone or an app, it is very easy to use. Just kind of give you an idea as far as the colors. So if you just wanted a white light, you have that option. But when it gets really fun is when you want to change the colors up, and you can do a whole bunch of things. So there's all these pre-programmed color settings that are in here, and this just happens to be one of the rainbows. And then there's all these different automated settings. So here, there's a flowing setting, and you can adjust the speed and the colors of these. Kind of gives you a wavy look there. Just a variety of different effects. Notice the colors will automatically change. There's more of a smoother effect. You can even have this set to music. So if I switch it on to the music mode, it goes black. But if I'm making noise and you can hear me talk, it's adjusting to my voice that's in the room. So if you had music playing, it's going to flash accordingly and pop up different colors to kind of go with the beat of the music. And that's pretty fun if you're looking for something to have a little bit more liveliness going on in your room. You can also set timers to where it's just going to do its own thing based on the amount of time you want, 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. There's random settings. Basically just a whole ton of things you can do just to really make it fun. And also it can just be used as a standard light, as you saw in the beginning. Hopefully this answers any questions you have about this very cool LED corner light, and we'll talk to you soon.